The Stellenbosch Town Hall was filled to capacity as family, friends, football supporters and Stellenbosch residents came out in their numbers to pay tribute to Adams. The success that Adams achieved playing for Bafana Bafana will inspire future generations.
Jayden had the ability, as everybody says, to stop a crowd. If Jayden's around, everybody runs to him, either for a photo or for a signature. And never did he disappoint.
Kyk 'n bietjie rond. Kyk tot daarbo. Ons stadsaal is chock and block vol. En dis net weer eens tragically cut short. His legacy will never be measured by the number of years that he lived.
A funeral service is expected to take place on the 25th of July. Corbin August, SABC News, Stellenbosch.